All right, so we're in section, I'll call this 13.1 because the thing that materials that we're getting this from, this is in chapter 13. So we're talking about theoretical and experimental probability. So we're going to do a couple of things today. We're going to write down some formulas and come up with some definitions for theoretical and experimental probability. How we calculate them, and we're going to do a few examples. So the first thing we're going to talk about is theoretical probability. And the way we write it normally is the probability, we write as P, probability of an event. And we'll write some definitions in a little bit. The probability of an event is the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. We'll talk about what an event means in just a second. We'll come up with a definition of that in just a second. And the way I usually think of it just as a shorthand is just favorable over total. So for our coin, our favorable event was a heads. There's one of those. And the total is 2. We have 2 sides. So that's how we came up with a probability of 1/2. And our theoretical probability is based on what we know about whatever we're talking about. For a coin, it's our coin. For yesterday with our die, it was what we know about how dice work that we came up with our theoretical probability. We filled in that chart on the back with all the different numbers that could come up. Now, outcome. When I say outcome, this word shows up a lot when we're working in probability. Outcome just means a possible result. So our outcome is a heads. Our outcome is a tails. Our outcome is a rolling of 7.